What was the North like before the Civil War, from the 1800s to the 1860s? In this video, you'll learn about what life was like in the northern states before the American Civil War. You'll see images, maps, and graphs to help you describe the geography, economy, and the way of life in the North. Some helpful tips. Pause or rewind the video at any time. Pause at the self-check questions in the video to see how well you've mastered the content. The self-check questions will reappear in your escape room activity. Let's get going. In the United States, prior to 1860, free states and territories were often in the north. We see them represented in green on this map. What was the climate and geography like in the northern states? The northern states had warm, humid summers and cold, snowy winters. The rivers were fast and clear. The soil was rocky and infertile. The short growing season plus the cold made large plantation farming difficult. Instead, smaller farms would focus on growing food to eat. Check for understanding. Pause the video at any time to reflect and think about your answers. Why was large plantation farming difficult in the northern states? A, northern states had rocky, infertile soil. B, northern farmers did not know how to plant crops. C, northern states have short growing seasons. D, both A and C are correct. E, all choices are correct. The correct answer is D. Both A and C are correct. The northern states had rocky, infertile soil and a short growing season. Northern states economy, the goods and services produced, sold, and bought in a region. Or another way to look at it, it's the way people spend money and the way people make money. Northern cities spread along the Atlantic coast. Large cities included Philadelphia, Pittsburgh, New York City, and Boston. Between 1800 and 1860, the North experienced a huge population increase as Irish, German, and other European immigrants settled in the North for better job opportunities at the factories. By 1860, 1 out of every 4 Northerners lived in cities or towns. The economy of the North was based on manufacturing and trade. Manufacturing is making new products from raw materials like using wheat to break bread or using cotton to make cloth in a factory. People worked in factories making cloth, shoes, iron nails, pots, weapons, copper items, and so on. Slavery had virtually died out in the North. Slave labor was replaced in the cities and factories by immigrant labor working for paid wages. Other jobs in the North included businesses, medicine, or education. Check for understanding. Pause the video if you need to. What was the North's economy based on? A, factories, manufacturing, and trade. B, cash crops. C, farms. The correct answer is A, factories, manufacturing, and trade. Check for understanding. Pause at any time. Who worked in the northern factories? A, enslaved people. B, Americans and immigrants. C, all choices are correct. The correct answer is B, Americans and immigrants. It is important to note that not everyone in the North were abolitionists or anti-slavery. However, by the 1840s, slavery had mostly disappeared from northern states through abolitionist efforts. They will continue to work to bring an end to slavery for the whole country. Check for understanding. Slavery was legal in the northern states by the 1850s. True or false? Pause the video, and when you're ready to check your answer, press play. This is false. Slavery was not legal in the northern states by the 1850s. Slavery had been made illegal in the northern states. Northern states will use railroads to move raw materials, natural resources, and people throughout the region. On this map, you will see the green lines representing the railroads in operation in the 1850s. There was an increase in railroad lines throughout the country between 1850 and 1860. The red lines on this map represent all the railroad track lines that were added by 1861. You will be able to see that in the north, there is a major increase in lines, whereas the south, although they got more railroads, does not have as much as the north. Check for understanding. Pause the video whenever you need to. The south will have more railroad track miles than the north. True or false? The answer is false. The North will have more railroad track miles. In fact, they will have 2/3 of the nation's railroad tracks. Now that you've learned about the North before the Civil War, it is time to use your knowledge to fix the Enigma Express. Good luck. I don't think you'll need it.